Hey y'all, welcome back. And today I wanted to show you Carol's dog. He's a hunting dog. And we're going to be walking him today because Carol can't seem to do it. His name is Quinbo the Third. I don't know what kind of name Quinbo is, but I don't know. Anyway, we figure we're going to get our Meemaws exercise power walking in. Oh, Quinbo.
Betsy, don't film him using the bathroom.
Hey, I'm filming his head.
Betsy, there's a car coming. You're going to get him run over.
Hey, all he is skin and bones. He's almost dead anyway. See, none of this meat.
He needs some corn casserole in him.
Anyway, we gotta go. Bye, grandbabies.